By the end of the video, we'll know about effective ways to work out with a jump rope. Jump rope exercises are fantastic for improving cardiovascular health, burning calories, and enhancing coordination and agility. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, jump rope workouts can be tailored to your fitness level. Let's jump into the best ways to incorporate a jump rope into your routine. Warm up. Begin with a 5 to 10 minute warm up to get your body ready for the workout. Light cardio, such as jogging in place or dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings, will help increase your heart rate and loosen up your muscles. Jump rope exercises 1. Basic jump. How to do it. Hold the jump rope handles at your sides with the rope behind you. Swing the rope over your head and jump as it passes under your feet. Keep your jump small and your feet close together. Jump for 1 to 2 minutes. Then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. 2. High knees jump. How to do it. Perform a basic jump, but lift your knees to waist height with each jump. Keep your core engaged and maintain a steady pace. Jump for 1 to 2 minutes. Then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. 3. Boxer step. How to do it. Shift your weight from one foot to the other with each jump, mimicking a boxer's footwork. Stay light on your feet and keep the rhythm smooth. Jump for 1 to 2 minutes. Then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. Middle content reminder. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. 4. Crisscross jump. How to do it. Perform a basic jump, but cross your arms in front of you after each swing of the rope. Alternate between crossing and uncrossing your arms. Jump for 1 to 2 minutes. Then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. 5. Double unders. How to do it. Swing the rope under your feet twice with each jump by jumping higher and rotating your wrists faster. This exercise is more advanced and requires practice. Jump for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. Quick nutrition tip. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. By incorporating jump rope exercises into your fitness routine, you'll improve your cardiovascular health, coordination, and overall endurance. Consistency and proper form are key to reaping the full benefits of jump rope workouts. Keep practicing and pushing yourself to achieve your fitness goals. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Stay motivated, stay fit, and keep jumping towards a healthier you.